Hey everybody, Jen here of Gen X Website Design and Strategy. In this video, I want to talk to you about how search engines are using AI to rank content. Before we dive into this, I want to remind you to register for my free class, the 3-part framework for increasing organic traffic to your Squarespace website, where I talk all about the framework that allowed me to literally quit social media and 60 times my website traffic, and how I teach Squarespacers just like you the same methods so that you can start attracting your perfect customers to your Squarespace website starting now. It's totally free, link below the video. Search engines no longer rely on simple keyword matching to decide rankings. AI is a key part of how search engines understand queries, analyze content, and organize search results. Instead of just looking at words on a page, AI helps search engines determine which content best answers a query based on context, relevance, and user engagement. AI tools used by search engines adjust rankings by interpreting search intent, measuring how users interact with content, and evaluating whether a page provides valuable information. This means ranking well is less about repeating keywords and more about providing meaningful responses in search queries. So keep watching if you want to learn about the AI tools that play a role in ranking content and how they affect search results. Google introduced RankBrain in 2015 as its first AI-based system for processing search queries. At the time, it helped Google interpret unfamiliar or complex searches by identifying patterns and making educated guesses about what users meant. Since then, RankBrain has become one of several AI models influencing rankings. While it still plays a role in determining relevance, newer models like BERT and now handle much of the heavy lifting in understanding search intent, natural language, and context. Today, RankBrain primarily works in the background, adjusting rankings based on user engagement signals such as click-through rates, time spent on a page, and whether users return to the search results to look for a different answer. BERT. It stands for Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers. It is essentially a natural language processing model, or an NLP model, developed by Google to help search engines understand the meaning and context of words in a sentence, rather than just processing them individually. So like how the words relate to each other. BERT, introduced in 2019, helps search engines process words in relation to each other instead of looking at them separately. This helps search engines understand queries the way people naturally speak or type them. And I just wrote a blog post on natural language processing, so I'll link to that video right there. BERT ranks pages higher when they provide clear and well-structured answers. It can also recognize the importance of small words like for and to, which change the meaning of a query. This has made search results more precise, especially for longer or conversational queries, like voice search queries. Instead of relying on exact keyword matches, BERT allows Google to better interpret the intent behind a question, making it easier for users to find content that truly answers what they are looking for. Google announced in 2021 as a way to process different types of content, including text, images, and videos. Can compare information across formats and even languages to find the most relevant answers. This means search rankings are no longer just about well-written articles. Images, videos, and other content types are considered when determining what appears in results. is also designed to handle more complex queries that might require multiple steps to answer. Instead of relying on users to refine their searches, can analyze different pieces of content and provide a more comprehensive response. This makes it easier for search engines to rank content based on depth and context rather than just matching specific keywords. While Google is the most widely used search engine, Bing and others also use AI to determine rankings. Microsoft has integrated AI into Bing search to improve how it understands queries and ranks pages. AI in Bing evaluates factors like relevance, authority, and user engagement. Bing has also incorporated chatbot-style responses that summarize search results, which can influence which pages get ranked at the top. Unlike Google, which primarily relies on its own AI models like RankBrain and BERT, Bing has integrated OpenAI's language models into its search functionality. This allows Bing to generate conversational answers and provide more context in response to search queries. As AI continues to be refined, Bing's ranking factors may shift to prioritize content that aligns with these AI-generated responses. As AI continues to be part of search engines, ranking content will depend more on context and user engagement than on keyword placement. Search engines are getting better at analyzing whether content provides useful answers, and they can rank different content formats in ways they couldn't before. This means content that is clear, engaging, and informative will have a better chance of appearing in search results. Pages that match search intent and keep users interested will likely perform better over time. I hope you guys found this helpful, and if you did, please give this video a like, consider subscribing to my channel, maybe share this with someone who you think could use some help with this. And remember, web design is really fun, but it's your website's job to attract and engage your target audience. And to learn more about how to get more traffic to your Squarespace website, sign up for my free class, the 3-part framework for increasing organic traffic to your Squarespace website. It's totally free, and the link is below the video.